Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you easy method of making ragi butter roti. For making this recipe, firstly prepare a soft dough of ragi by adding lukewarm water like this. Next take some rice flour. Take appropriate amount of rice flour so that we can coat the dough with rice flour evenly. Firstly prepare the roll of the dough like this and coat each side properly with rice flour. Take sufficient amount of rice flour and press the ragi dough lightly. Tap it like this and spread it until it form a circular disc. Tap gently. Ragi roti is very nutritious for kids and elderly people because it has sufficient amount of calcium which is helpful to make strong bone. Also it is immunity booster. See, our ragi roti is almost done. You can't roll it by using rolling pin because ragi flour don't have so much binding like wheat flour. So press with your hand, tap with your hand. Next turn on the heat, put a tawa, add little butter, reduce the flame and shake the tawa like this. Gently place the ragi roti. Now turn to medium high flame and cook both sides until it is well cooked. Lightly press with spatula. See, some dots has come on the surface. Then flip the roti, turn it over and cook the other side until it is lightly brown color and well cooked. Serve this yummy butter roti with fish curry or chicken. It goes well with fish and chicken. Friends, if you think this video is helpful to you, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.